So, hey guys, welcome to our call. In this video, we are going to cover how we can test the alerts on the device. Like, we'll be generating some temporary alert and see how Sophos react. We can use the outsider malware files as well, but which I do not recommend. Like, if you want to test it triggers early on the labs, you can go to the malware bazaar probably. Yeah, that is the right place. But if you want to test in the controlled environment and you don't want like, okay, my device would not be. Okay, guys, this is like very sad thing. Yeah, we have to complete that. Okay, let's skip this. Probably we have to do that. Yeah. So we are verified as a human. It is by daviews.sh. There like there are multiple suspicious of mission, which is actual malware. It's not the kind of testing thing which you just go for fun and you will do it. If you are installing this, there would be a chance you could get a compromise as well. But since I have downloaded few files from Sophos test, so no worries regarding this. These files are completely safe and it used for test only. So yeah, first thing is like Sophos.app. This is getting blocked by Sophos. Let me try a few more things and let's see like what happens the Sophos console. Let's go to the Sophos console and see like are these alerts has been reflected or not. Just refresh the page. Let's go to the threat hunting detections. So yeah, we are getting these alerts specifically like what was the alerts and lot more things are here. You can close it or either you can investigate it. What is the raw data, process tree, was like there would be a multiple things. The how and after a few seconds you will also get the alerts like okay you are under attack and what you should do. You can connect with the Sophos incident response team as well. They will help you with the incident response in real life. Yeah. So it's generating the data, graph, overview, and what was the detections and a lot more things. So you can take actions accordingly. So guys, this was the Sophos test alerts. We'll meet in next videos.